Trouble in Paradise. Siyacela's new girlfriend or side chick is pregnant. So this is what happened. A little bit of recap. Siyacela went to Durban with his brother and they stayed over for a couple of weeks to a month. So Siyacela was having a little bit of fun in Durban. He was going out, walking to the beach with the new girlfriend and having a couple of drinks with his brothers. We saw him on one episode. They were buying some meat, saying that in Durban rocks. So Siyacela was not picking up Thando's calls. He did not leave Thando with food or money for pocket money. Yeah, pocket money for going to school for Thando. So Siyacela has a new girlfriend in Durban, or a side chick who is called Zintle. So Zintle, you guys embrace yourself. So Zintle is 10 years older than Siyacela. Zintle has a child. Zintle has a baby boy. I don't know how old is the kid. So the father to Zintle is a traditional doctor, or we could say that he is a sangoma. So Dlamuka, who is the father to Siyacela, was warning Siyacela that he is playing with fire. But we all know that Siyacela is very stubborn. Siyacela does not want to listen to anyone. Siyacela is a bully. Siyacela does not want to be reprimanded. As his father, he could be the way that he is, but his father was showing him the way to polygamy, saying that how could Siyacela live in another man's house, and that man is a traditional doctor, saying that Siyacela will get burned. But does Siyacela listen? No, he refuses to. So Siyacela wants to take Zintle as a second wife. So as we speak, Zintle is pregnant. Zintle is expecting a child for Siyacela. We do not know how will Thando receive this news, but it looks like Thando already knows that Siyacela has a side chick. So my thoughts about Siyacela and the side chick Zintle and Thando. All I can say is that Isencane Lengane. Isencane. Siyacela must just stop being stubborn and go look for a job. That's my thoughts about this whole situation. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. What do you think all of us is going to end in 5 months' time, by next year? How all of this will unfold? Will Thando survive this marriage? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Anyway, thank you for listening and watching. Bye-bye.